Welcome to ShivAshirvad Lighting. We are the manufacturer of all kinds of LED lights. We have in-house manufacturing of LED driver, LED PCB and indoor outdoor LED lights. Our company is based on Mumbai, Dombivali East. We are manufacturing high quality products and providing OEM supplier in your brand with best quality. We have on R&D and research team. Recently we have launched some smart light for the smart home also, and in under the smart lights you can get the sensor based light, remote control based light and mobile app control based light also. If you are driver manufacturing, we are providing the CKD solution for you. You can see in your screen we have all type of indoor and outdoor lights available. So you can contact our salesperson for the order. The visiting card is showing in your screen. You can contact to our salesperson in given number.